The family of Senzo Meyiwa is waiting. His father passed away without seeing those who killed his son brought to book. The family is grieving. The kids are grieving. Why have you not brought this case to finality?
I think firstly you have indicated yourself that it's a high-profile case. And what I can add to your explanation is that it's actually not only a high profile, but it's also a diverse and complex case. I think things are promising that we are close enough now to the masterminds, and that's why we're going to be wrapping up the case, because we've got our evidence is tight on those that are in custody, including the trigger puller. So, but the whole case is now escalated to the next level to focus on the persons of interest so that we get indictments.
My question is, the imminent arrests which we are speaking about of those interesting, important individuals, were some of them in the room and were not part of the first round of arrests?
Yes, definitely. I think those are people who used a particular modus operandi to evade the arrest or to avoid it. So some of them were in the room and they avoided the first arrest and they were not part.
Who are those individuals?
I think I must send you an invitation to a court appearance, because you see I must protect the investigation at the present moment. And secondly, there's a lot of interest in this particular case. I may give you the name and suddenly this particular potential person flees the country. So for that reason, I would like to reserve the name till we execute.
So it's one person?
Look, all investigations, like I can give you an example. One of the highlights of the cases which were breakthrough in South Africa was the Radavon Kresha case. He was a single suspect and South Africa's most feared criminal. But after arresting him, we had to arrest more than 20 other people. So at the present moment, yes, there's one person of interest, but there will be a lot of leads that may connect to that.
Has this case over the years been suppressed by highly powerful individuals within the business sector, the political space, and the underworld?
In responding directly to your question, yes. I think from a cold case analysis point of view, and a modus operandi analysis point of view, there were people who have been trying to stop the case from a breakthrough.
He is further linked by means of a formal confession he made to the commissioned independent officer on the 30th of May 2020. In this confession, he clearly implicates Ms. Kelly Khumalo as the person who gave them the instruction to kill Senzo.
Hello again. The issue of an application for a warrant of arrest for singer Kelly Khumalo has been in the spotlight at the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial today. The defense is questioning why the warrant application was not authorized. The state has confirmed an application for a warrant of her arrest, but this was not signed.
There is evidence which was laid before this court regarding the warrant of arrest that was issued against Ms. Kelly Khumalo. Do you remember that part of evidence?
My lord, I don't.
Angikhumbuli ke lo angibukhumbuli lobo bufakazi lobo mayelana nencwadi ke egunyaziswa ukuboshwa kwakhe uMs Kelly Khumalo.
Are you aware? Do you know if there is any warrant of arrest that was issued against Ms. Kelly Khumalo in this docket 636?
My
there
lord.
or not?
As a God, please, I think issued is not the correct word. I think Brigadier Gininda did say there's a draft application.
That's what Gininda said. Eh?
Yes.
He said the draft is in the docket, if I recall the evidence.
Thank you, my lord. Thank you for correction. Are you aware of that?
Of the draft,
Yes.
the application for the warrant.
Yes.
Yes, I am aware, my lord, because I was briefed by Brigadier Keninda.
igama ke sithi ayi ukuthi ikhishiwe noma yakhishwa ke lencwadi kodwa sikhona ke isicelo esiyingxenye ke yedokote yeba ke ngiyakwazi lokho ukuthi khona ke isicelo esikhona ke mala ke nencwadi yokuboshwa kwakhe uMskeli Khumalo uBrigadier Keninda wangazisake ngalokho.
Are you aware also as to why that application for that warrant of arrest has not been authorized against Ms. Kelly Khumalo?
My lord, I am not aware.
Now, you in no uncertain terms, you're telling this court about this mastermind. You're mentioning that there's only one mastermind. Who's this mastermind? Is it the person that is known to you? What is their name? Where do they stay? Or where does he or she stay? Who is she or he?
My lord, I only know the name by Nonhlanhla Kelly Khumalo.
Ngazigama ke mina lakhe ke ungqondo lona uNonhlanhla Kelly Khumalo.
Nonhlanhla Kelly Khumalo. In the course of investigation, did you ever meet her? Because Nonhlanhla, I mean, it's a her. Now at least it dawns in my mind that we're talking about the lady here. Did you ever meet her in the course of your investigation?
No, my lord.
Ngabe kuphenyo lakho ke sike wahlangana naye yini? Cha.
Did you ever make attempts to contact her?
No, my lord.
Wazama yini ukuthi uxhumane naye? Cha.
Now, in your knowledge, as part of the investigating team, what necessitated her non-arrest?
My lord, I have no idea. I do not know. What I know is that the brigadier told me that he has applied for a warrant and it was not issued, so I'm not sure why.
Kuphenyo lakho ke yini ekwaba imbangela yokuthi angaboshwa angazi mangikhulumisana naye ngixoxisana naye ubrigadier ushilo noma washo ukuthi isicelo wasenza ke sencwadi ke egunyazisa ukuboshwa kwakhe.